All right, we are going to move on with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions about music.
Okay.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music quite often, mostly before bed.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Well, it depends on my mood mostly, but if I listen to music in the evening, it would be mostly classical, but if I listen to it at night, it would be sad or kind of slow music.
Why do you listen to music?
I listen to music mostly to relax my mind and free myself from the world for some time and just to relax myself.
What are the advantages of listening to music?
Well, there are quite a lot of advantages of listening to music. Mostly people listen to music because they say that it makes them stress-free, and it's good if you're having a depressed life, so that changes your mood quite a lot.
Do people listen to Western music in your country?
Yes, they listen to Western music quite a lot, but there are many people who listen to country music more.
Do you have any favorite musical band or musical
yes,
group?
Yes, I do. I like BTS. It's a Korean band, and they're quite famous around the world, in my country as well. And the other day they were in the news channel, but they don't come to my country, but still I like them quite a lot.
How often do you sing songs also?
Well, I sing songs mostly, but only in my heart, because I don't want people to hear me around, because that would be quite disturbing, so I don't sing much.
Okay, would you like to learn any musical instrument in the future?
Yes, I would surely like to learn many musical instruments, but as a major, I'd like to play piano.
Why piano?
Because I think piano is much more relaxing and easy to play. And
right.
I've also started playing piano a little.
Okay.
Yeah.
तू कार चल तेरी मानू दसना है मैं हाँ तेरे सारे plans में
उनको पता है.
She knows that already. All right. Sorry, I'm the examiner. You're the candidate.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you prefer to listen to loud music or music in low volume?
I like to listen to loud music, but not on speakers. I listen to music on headphones, so people around me don't get disturbed.
All right, that's the end of your IELTS speaking test. And now, when we go back home, tenu mein siddha karna hai. Tera tabla mein
Then
khar
let it
jaake
be your
bajau.
speaking test, because you
All
will be
right,
speaking.
you ask
I'll
me
be
some
listening.
questions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, anything. Yeah.
Are you feeling cold?
Now, yes, I'm feeling cold. Let's go back home. The place where we are now,
I'm shaking.
It is really very cold here. So this was the last thing. And Adeen Asad is my daughter. Right, I've got a son and a daughter. Let me tell them, if they are new to my channel, Adeen Asad is my daughter. Please comment her performance in this speaking test, and I will make another video where I'll fix her. She listens to music all the night and all that.
Not all the night, just half hour before.
I will see to it. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I also teach IELTS
online.
If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Adeen Asad.
Wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Shall I throw this on you?
Shall
I throw this on you?
No, Daddy.
Come on.
No, Daddy, no.